I'm Captain Squish, and today I'm going to be doing finger painting.
Finger. Paint. Step 1, find your finger. Step 2, pick up your paintbrush. Where'd my finger go? Let's go back to step 1. Step 1, find your finger. Step 2, pick up your paintbrush. Step 1, find your finger. Step 2, pick up your paint. Oh my gosh, where's my finger?
Captain Squish, are you okay? What's wrong?
Well, I'm trying to do some finger painting, but every time I pick up my paintbrush, I lose my finger. See, watch this. Finger gone.
Captain Squish, for finger painting, you don't even need a paintbrush. Just need your fingers. Here, let me show you.
Okay, what color do you want to do?
Purple.
All you gotta do, put purple on your finger. And then paint. Bye, paintbrush. Hello, finger.